Hi there, this is Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm an Atlanta area personal bankruptcy attorney, and this is a question that I got from one of my clients recently. We were preparing a Chapter 7, and his question was, what are the odds that somebody's going to object to my Chapter 7? Am I going to have a problem with creditors or the trustee? Is somebody going to create problems for me? And the answer is, in most cases in Chapter 7, there's not going to be a problem. If we do our homework and properly prepare the case, and you file the case under advice of counsel, there's a really good chance we're not going to have any problems. Typically, the issues in a Chapter 7 are going to be situations where there has been a credit card binge, is what they call it, where you've gone out and spent $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 in the 2 or 3 months prior to filing bankruptcy. It could be a situation where there's some sort of fraud, where somebody, for example, it could be a personal thing where you've borrowed money from somebody and they have a personal hatred of you. That could create a situation where there could be fraud. Or if you took out a credit card, for example, and you put incorrect information on the card application. So you said you're making $100,000 when in fact you're only making $30,000. That would be grounds for objection. But my experience has been, if the amount of the debt that we're talking about is $15,000, $20,000 or less, it almost doesn't make sense for the creditors to object, even if there was grounds for objection. And what I do is, if I've got a situation where there's a possibility that there could be an objection, I will advise my clients to wait to file, to make payments, just to lessen the opportunity for, or the option that a creditor might have to file an objection to your Chapter 7. So the biggest thing is just not to file Chapter 7 right after incurring a bunch of new debt, to listen to your attorney and to use your attorney's wisdom and experience to understand when Chapter 7 cases are at risk. But typically, if as an attorney who's done this for a long time, the cases where there would be a problem kind of jump out. It's pretty obvious to me when people ought to avoid filing Chapter 7 or avoid it for a period of time, and I'll tell my clients that. So this is one of these situations, again, where a good attorney, an experienced attorney, can be a big help. But big picture, the odds that you'll have an objection to your Chapter 7 are actually quite low. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube and a like on Facebook. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. I'd appreciate that. Any questions about this or any other bankruptcy matter, please let me know. And if you have any suggestions about future topics, please let me know that as well. So again, I'm Jonathan Ginsberg. I appreciate very much your attention, and thank you for watching.